Are you needing a Lattice Crane LMI computer replacement? BTS Crane Parts is a market leader in providing options for Lattice Crane LMI computer replacement. We have provided solutions for customers with link belt cranes, Manitowoc cranes, Terex cranes, and marine cranes. A complete LMI replacement system can often be installed in a day and includes computer, display, load cells, angle indicator, and anti-two-block switches. Modern, easy-to-use replacement crane warning systems are readily available. New systems are wireless, eliminating the headache of cut wires, corrosion, or water intrusion. These RCI systems are pre-calibrated from the factory, requiring no specialized equipment or skill for an installation that can generally be completed in a day. To learn more, contact BTS Crane Parts at 855.bodie.tech or 303-433-8878. We look forward to hearing from you soon.